The National and State Assembly Elections Petitions Tribunal, sitting in YOLA, the Adamawa state capital, has dismissed petitions challenging the election of Abbo and YAROE as senators representing Adamawa North and South respectively. The three-man panel, chaired by Justice Suleiman Akombi, dismissed the petitions of the candidate of All Progressive Congress, Abubakar Moalayidi, over failure to provide concrete evidence to back his allegations and claims that the election was marred with corrupt practices, rigging, irregularities, and overvoting. The petition filed by Senator Binta Masi centers on the failure of the card reader, as the witnesses could not prove any electoral malpractices as stated in their submissions. While the petition by Senator Ahmed Moalayidi challenging the victory of YAROE from Southern Senatorial Zone on grounds of overvoting and electoral malpractices was dismissed by Justice Suleiman Akombi for lack of merit. Some of the counsels applaud the outcome of the judgment. Others say they will appeal their cases.
The witnesses they brought none of them were eyewitnesses at the election. They didn't provide any polling unit agent. The electoral officers who they brought to analyze or to read out figures that were in the forms were not the makers of those forms. So the law is straight on the issue of such kind of instance, which is hearsay, and that is what the tribunal also affirmed today.
The two senators of the People's Democratic Party say their victory at the tribunal shows credibility of judicial system in Nigeria.
The court, the judiciary, is the hope, the last hope of a common man. A man down there that have no connection. A man out there who is poor, a widow, an orphan. A man that has no connection anywhere. Approach the court. The court of law is the hope of a common man.
Even if we go to court 100 times or we go to Supreme Court or wherever we go, if it is on the facts of the matter, the outcome would not have been different from what we have seen. So I'm very fulfilled. I wasn't expecting anything other than this.
Similarly, the tribunal dismissed the petition filed by Alhaji Mukhtar Kabiru of People's Democratic Party challenging the victory of Abdurazak NAMDAS of the APC, while affirming that of Honorable KWAMOTI Laori of the PDP, dismissing Alvadi Madai of APC for lack of merit.
We have to understand that this is the decision of the people. They have made their choice, and I think we have to respect our people. And in this respect, they have spoken, and the court have affirmed what they have done, and everybody should take it in all strides. Thank you.
These cases marked the end of the National and State Assembly election petitions in Adamawa State, except those heading for the appeal court. Adam John, News Now Television News.